video is me starting over. Not because I failed, but because I stopped showing up. This is the start of my YouTube journey again, with the goal of actually becoming a content creator and a full-time artist. The whole point of this channel is to document my art journey, getting comfortable with recording, creating art, posting consistently, and also building discipline, because I'm really trying to lock in 2026. Life has been busy with work, kids, responsibilities, and because of that, I took a long break from actually creating things for myself, from drawing the things I actually care about. So this is me trying to change that. The goal is to stay consistent, stay disciplined, and slowly work my way to doing this full time, so I can finally create the things that I want to create, like painting, mixed media, some graphic design work, animation, even building a game. I've been creative my whole life, and honestly, I'll be 30 in a couple years. I don't want to look back and feel like I didn't really go for it. If you're watching this and you've been pushing off creating art, hopefully this pushes you to create more. Pick up that pencil, or just start, even if it's messy. It's literally 12:22 at night. I don't know why, but as an artist, the creativity always comes to life at night. So I figured I'd just do a quick sketch and use some oil pastels. I haven't touched this shit in so long. But yeah, we'll see how the drawing comes out. The thing I like about oil pastels is like you don't have to be perfect. It smudges, but you just gotta work with it. And what comes out comes out. Holy shit, this already feels way different than I remember. But we just gotta keep at it, trust the process, and hopefully everything comes together. Holy shit, I don't know about how I feel about this. God damn, I lost my touch. I'm a little rusty, man. God damn. Well, we'll keep at it, see how it goes. Wish me luck. I keep comparing this to how I used to draw. It definitely is not helping at all. But that's okay, because we'll get back to where we were. I'm not gonna lie, but this pop of orange kind of goes crazy. The contrast with that purple. Alright, well, let's keep going. Alright, so I'm gonna try to line this whole thing with a Sharpie. Whatever you see it. Alright, well, it ain't perfect by any means, but let's check it out.